Hi, this is Daisy Bursted. I'm going to be threading my mom's sewing machine, and it already has its bobbin in place. So what you're first going to do is put the thread on the spool. Then you're going to unwind it a tiny bit, take it around those two, pull it down, bring it back up, and then you're going to turn the knob until this hook comes up, and you're going to wrap it around so it gets caught on that hook. Fix that. And then you're going to pull this down, and then you're going to bring it around there, around the needle, and through the hole in the needle. I'm going to pull it out the back and make sure it doesn't get hooked on the foot. Then you're going to turn this up and down, making sure that you go the same direction once, and then it should be caught around the bottom thread, and you're gonna pull that gently.
Pull the bottom thread too.
Then you're going to take them down and around the foot and pull them and push them to the side, and then your sewing machine is threaded. Thank you. Bye.